finder, when a consumer comes to a new city, just imagine like that, but he actually doesn't know how to go to the exact part of the restaurant. He may confusing that, just imagine that he is using Google Maps. Okay, so it will appear on 2D, but we are living in the 3D world. Okay, he may getting confusing with the landmarks, the 2D and the 3D. Okay, so he may spend some more time to find out the exact direction to go to the particular restaurant. So my solution is the real-time route finder. This is the screen view, and it will appear something like the real-time map indicator, and also the direction where to go, and something like turn left and turn right. These are the radar map, which will have the set of restaurants in the given range. The user can changes the range of the radius and find out the closest restaurant, something like that, which he can if imagine that a particular restaurant has a favorite dish to eat, he can find out a particular restaurant that go to the particular restaurant and eating their favorite ones.
So this is an app inside our mobile app, or?
Yeah, inside the mobile app.
Inside our current
for
app?
Consumer usage.
For consumer
Yeah.
usage, let's say I want to find right now I can say look for a restaurant. I can select the restaurant, and there's a button saying real-time route finder.
Yeah, it will show all the possible routes in the list view, something like that. And once you click a particular route, it will appear the direction.
Yeah. Is it like a navigation system?
Yeah, navigation system. While we drop the image, live image on the live image.
How do you get the light? Like if I'm here,
Yes,
I want to-
augmented reality concept. We can use the meta SDK. Some other speaks and here and here.
So,
But it's
explain
No,
that. How
so
do you
now
get
if
it?
I want to go to that side,
Yes. Yeah.
that's what we are real-time.
While I'm going.
Again, I'm using
Yeah.
satellite.
No, no.
Actual viewfinder of the camera. So what you see the actual
You go into that area.
Oh, so you are.
Your direction is
Over
on
the
the
camera.
and this is for people who are walking into the restaurant, not driving.
Close by.
Very close by, walk into the restaurant, you don't know the direction. If you are walking, this is GPS. This is the car GPS.
This is not okay. I'm driving from.
Not
let's say-
no driving. This is walking. You just point the camera and turn.
Okay, so what's the radius?
We are thinking couple of miles. Ideally 1 mile. 2.
So it needs to pop up after you select the restaurant. It has to pop up within that 1 mile radius.
Yeah.
Street names as well.
So motoring is not an option. Driving.
Because the
Yes.
GPS location is frequently changing.
So can you have both? So for example, let's say you're driving, then in that mode you have a GPS like Google Maps that gives real time.
They can take any some button to change it to the Google Maps also. And the real time.
Yeah, and then after it comes to the 1 mile radius, it goes into this mode.
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Since you need to digital render navigation indication in the actual video, can you do that easily on an average mobile phone?
Average, but for yes, we can do this because just imagine Meta SDK provides the functionalities to do this and pass some arguments to some particular methods to render those images. And also the SDK drastically reduces the power consumption of the mobile.
How do you So is this need in the market that you not able to find that? But
Yes,
if the
it's
restaurant-
something like playing a game. So more consumers can attract this application.
Any questions? Jayata, shoot. Question from Q8.
So, if you are driving, you can't use the same path as you would use as a pedestrian, right? So there should be
Yeah,
way to
yeah.
switch between two modes.
I already mentioned, no? So there is a button to for the Google Maps, and in Google Maps there are several transportation modes: driving, walking, and cycling. See that?
So that information is provided by Google.
Yes, it's Google Maps. This is for walking distance.
So this your particular application is not used by the drivers
No.
when you're driving.
No.
This will be whatever you can see through your camera.
Yeah.
How advanced is this technology in terms of accuracy?
Yes,
It shows the restaurant in the right
Huh?
place. It shows the restaurant in the right place.
What is the accuracy of
Accuracy of-
So the data.
So data is available in the remote server. So, you know,
Question is, what are the chances of the customer being able to easily find the restaurant or him being directed to a different restaurant? How many?
Is it easy to find the place?
Is it easy to find the
yeah,
place?
yeah, it's easy.
No. Does the data make mistakes sometimes? Will the app make mistakes? Is the chance of the data in the app to make a mistake high?
No, but just to make it.
For example, now it says turn right.
Yeah.
Right now there's a building here, and is it just after this building or after the second building? So things like that. How do I?
No, it will appear the distance, and it will indicate the pop-up window, turn left or turn right before going to that particular.
Yeah, but for example, if it says 0.1 mile,
Yeah.
I'll have a bit of problem
No,
calculating 0.1 mile.
This is for example.
How might happen is
So this is for humans, not for robots. Right? You should not turn when a vehicle is coming to us.
Not to put him on trouble right now. Just if you have a building, that's
So accuracy of GPS is 50 feet. So you have to keep that in mind. 50 feet is the accuracy of GPS. And this is totally reliant on your GPS location to recommend you the left or right.
And also you need to be able to, the restaurant has to be in your viewfinder. Something like you can't not have it in your
No. So it will take you left and eventually it will get you there.
in the 1 mile radius, you are not going to see the restaurant.
As long as, according to him, as long as you enter the latitude and longitude coordinates in the restaurant correctly, he can get you there. If you put that wrong, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Like the Ross Cafe.
One suggestion is provided that you can implement this feasibility through the app. When you are approaching the restaurant, maybe you can pop up and give the option to use your app.
Can you also just do a little more research in terms of how advanced this technology is and how mature it is to implement something like this?
I already did some simple example using MetaSDK.
What is NetSDK?
MetaSDK for only for purpose for complementary applications to develop.
Fine, right.
Yeah. There are also other ones, Android they are and they are.
Right there.
And they are. But here in MetaSDK, it will provide some classes, something like the radar map. You can only use the functionalities to pass the arguments coming from the remote server and convert. So those are in JSON object. We can easily pass this JSON object to the functions.
Have you done some sort of prototype of this? for each and
No.
some usable application.
No.
So this extension of our AR app, we have the AR piece. This is getting directions to me.
All right.
I have one question. So, in your system, so in end of the day, I need to eat very spicy chicken Hyderabad biryani. Okay. So how I can find, based on your system, how do you find chicken Hyderabad biryani location, the correct location? So you have any facility?
Yeah, so something just imagine when I click a menu, something like the button, so it will appear a text box, then you can type your foods and it will appear all the, the something, adjacent something like that. Then you can appear all the data in the database. Okay. So once you selected that one and enter in the list, then appear all the restaurants in the given list ranges.
Okay. I need spicy one. Spicy food. Same location have, think about same location have who eats at merchant, who eats at restaurants.
You can select what favorite, the favorite one. The favorite
Every
restaurant
part
what
we need to go to spicy.
Yeah.
Can do it.
Yeah, you have to first select the restaurant. Restaurant selection is not part of this. Once you select the restaurant, it will take you there.
So
if
if
you-
we are going to the restaurant, we can see is this spicy or not.
So you can
No.
use his recommendations.
That is another system altogether.
Here it is, after you select your spicy restaurant, you know that it can take you there.
The recommendation will give you this is the
Recommendation is where you pick your spicy biryani.
It's a company.
It will take you there.
Actually, I think the next pitch might partially address your question. So please give a hand to